Hi students, I am Alka from Seabird and today ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ the questions which are related to your sponsorship, that who is going to sponsor you, what is the funds, where the funds are located and many more. ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਕਸਰ examiner students ਨੂੰ confuse ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ and student got confused in the little questions. So today I am going to share some questions. अगर ਤੁਸੀਂ questions learn ਕਰ ਲੇ, so there is no need to confuse in any of the query. First question, that who is going to sponsor your studies, which is also called who is going to finance your studies, who is going to funding your higher education. So in the answer of this question you have to mention that my husband is going to sponsor me, my mother is going to sponsor me, or my father is going to sponsor me, and name of my husband is this, name of my father is this, name of my sponsor is this. Whereas if we are talking about second question, so that is what does your sponsor do, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਪਾਂਸਰ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, your husband, your mother or your father, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਕੀ ਹੈ. You always have to mention at least two business of your sponsor. Like my father is the entrepreneur. He is handling the business of dairy farming as well as agriculture works. If we are talking about third question, that is what is the annual income of your sponsor? What is the annual income of your husband? What is the annual income of your father? What is the annual income of your mother? जो कि ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ 20 ਲੱਖ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਦੱਸਣੀ ਹੈ ਇੰਟਰਵਿਊ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ. Always pretend like we are landlord. The annual income of my father is approximately 25 lakh. The annual income of my husband is approximately 26 lakh. The annual income of my mother is approximately 24 lakh. Further, अगर ਆਪਾਂ fourth question ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ, so that is how many funds is located in your sponsor's account. ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ that my husband have the funding of 25 lakh in his account, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ totally wrong ਹੈ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਆਪਦੇ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ because you are plus 18, it means you are fully able to open your own account. So ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ that I have the funds of 26 lakh, I have the funds of 25 lakh or whatever the amount you want to mention in my account which are transferred by my sponsor. I have the funding of 25 lakh which are transferred by my husband. I have the funding of 26 lakh which are transferred by my father or mother. Next fifth question is what is the form of your funds, यानी कि जो ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ amount है वो किस form ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ है. There are 3 to 4 forms like fixed deposit form, saving form, in the current account form or in the liquid form. But you always have to mention the liquid form ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ examiner ਕੋਈ question ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ. Now what is the meaning of liquid form? That you can deposit or withdraw your funds at any time. Besides this, sixth question, do you have any other savings? So you always have to say yes. My father have the saving of 20 lakh in his account. Students ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ yes I have the amount of 25 lakh and I also have the amount of 25 lakh in another account, which is wrong. ਆਪਦੇ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਅਮਾਊਂਟ ਬੋਲੋ ਐਂਡ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਅਮਾਊਂਟ ਬੋਲੋ ਆਪਦੇ ਫਾਦਰ ਜਾਂ ਮਦਰ ਜਾਂ ਹਸਬੈਂਡ ਦੇ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ that I have the amount of 25 lakh in my account which are transferred by my sponsor and also my sponsor have the amount of 20 lakhs 30 lakhs, यानी कि जो अमाउंट है चेंज कर दो in his account. दोनों अकाउंट सेपरेट ने एंड दोनों ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ अलग-अलग अमाउंट पई है. That is the answer of sixth question. And if we are talking about seventh question, so that is when these funds transfer into your account. जो ਤੁਹਾਡੇ अकाउंट ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ funds ਨੇ, as you already mentioned that these funds are transferred by my sponsor. So when your sponsor transfer this money into your account, always mention that my funds are 6 months older, 5 month older or 3 month older. कदे भी आपदे funds 28 days या 28 days तो घट नहीं कहने. Eighth question is what is the name of your bank in which your funds are located. So you have to mention the name of the bank, like my funds are located in Yes Bank, my funds are located in Axis Bank, or in the bank where your funds are located. Simply the name of the bank. And eighth question, the second part is in which branch your funds are located. So you have to mention the name of the city in which that particular branch of the bank is located. Like the branch of the bank is Bathinda, the branch of the bank is Hisar, the branch of the bank is Chandigarh.
Ninth question is that what is the account number of your bank? So account number is also consist two parts. अगर तुसी कैश शील्ड इंटरव्यू की गल करते हो, so you just have to learn 4 numbers like my account number is 1234. The last 4 digits of my account number is 1234. Actually, I just remember the complete account number, so the last 4 digits is 1, 2, 3 and 4. And if you are sitting in an embassy interview, at that case you have to learn the complete account number of 16 digits. If you want to get more knowledge regarding interview questions and answers, so please do subscribe our channel and follow us. Thank you so much.